video, and today we are basically doing a get ready with me chit chat type of video, talking about the coronavirus, you know, a little tease here and there. But yeah, this is a chit chat get ready with me. I absolutely love the way that my makeup came out. A little simple, but not so simple, everyday beat. Everything I use in the video will be listed in the description box, because I don't think I told y'all everything I was using because I was talking some of the time. So yeah, some stuff I told you, some stuff I didn't, but whatever I didn't, it'll be in the description box, even the stuff that I did say. And yeah, my outfit is from, well, y'all see that in the video, so keep on watching if you want to see the whole fit, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm about to get ready to go out, have a good time, have some fun, and y'all go watch my vlog channel. Make sure you subscribe to that. It's Right Fierce Uncut, raw and uncut over there, honey. So you know it's fun over there. So go check us out over there, and yeah, on to the outfit. So if you like this video, continue to watch. If you like what you see, hunty. What's up, guys? I'm about to get ready to go out. So here I am doing my makeup. Okay, before I go out, makeup and outfits, and I guess we're gonna chit chat while we get ready. Decided today that I wanted to do some eyeshadow, so that's what we about to do. Okay guys, so y'all, let's talk about this coronavirus. Ma, you can chime in. Ma, it's been all over everywhere. Is y'all scared?
I know.
Cause I'm a little bit scared.
And I still don't understand the shit.
Yeah, I'm a little bit scared. And I want to fly so bad. What's your thoughts on flying right now?
I'm ready for it to be over with like a regular grocery shop.
Oh yeah. How do y'all feel about the grocery stores? Cause I don't feel the way right now, but I feel like it's coming to a point where everybody just buying up everything, and we ain't gonna have nothing left.
The shelves. They have no meat, no meat, no sandwich meat, no canned goods.
No canned goods?
No.
Oh my God.
I went on the aisle where they have syrup. They had syrup I had never heard of or seen before. We got the syrup from Walmart.
And McDonald's can't shut down. If work stop, the fast food places still gotta go. Cause, baby, what we gonna be eating? We must gonna be going to people's houses, robbing they cook food. What they got in this refrigerator? It's serious though. I'm like, it's very serious. And we don't know what to do with ourselves.
Right.
For real. It's very
They keep saying social distancing, but you can still go to the mall.
Let's
You can go to, like, what?
What you mean social distancing? Like distancing each other away from each other?
Yeah.
Why? Why is it like that?
That's why I say I don't understand this disease. Is it airborne? But then they keep saying, wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. Is it from touch? Like, what?
I don't think they really know yet. They still testing the waters. And they canceling stuff so far in advance. So I feel like they know a little bit more than what they telling us, for sure, for sure.
Oh yeah. I believe that. Which is making people panic.
Yes. On the frenzy, you need to share to the world so we all can decide what we're gonna do. Cause we all in trouble. We need to take a poll. Trump, you be on Twitter all the time. Do a poll, baby. Do y'all think this is smart or this? We need to make a decision. Everybody tune in on Donald Trump's Twitter. Oh my God. I can't. Now I'm about to use this JACLYN Hill palette. I've been so obsessed with the palette lately. And I'm wearing a fire fit tonight. It's gonna be.
Yeah, what you wearing?
I'm wearing that green dress. Yes, Mom. Oh, I'm coming stepping on these. They gonna be like bald head, whole bald head. These motherfucking bald for real. They just excited, baby. Yeah, this is Chit Chat Get Rid of with me. I'm just gonna list the products down below. I don't got time to be trying to show y'all every single product. Okay guys, so here I'm taking my eyeshadow and I'm just patting it at the top. But yes, this coronavirus got everybody shook. The world is shook right now. And I don't know how to feel about it. I don't know whether to be scared or still just, I'm living. Cause if I get the virus on God, I'm gonna live. And I'm gonna let everybody know on Instagram, this what day and this what time I'm gonna be out and this what I'm gonna be at. So don't come if you don't want me. And it's on period. Cause sis ain't about to be stuck in the house. No kind of way. Still gotta live life, still gotta do stuff. Cause it's gonna be around for a while, seems like. And they just can't come up with no cure overnight, even though that's what we want. Even though that's what we think. Y'all already got a cure. It said on the back of the Lysol thing, y'all already got a cure. I'm going with that shade right on side of it called Comfort Zone. My brush a little dry, y'all, because I've been cleaning it with alcohol. You know when your brush feel crazy or not the same anymore. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in with this brown shade, Homebody. No, we're gonna go in with G Money, okay? Yes, that's what we're gonna go in with. That's what we're gonna all need when we at home without no jobs with this virus. Okay, let me see. Let me go in with a brush. I don't know what made me think that was a good idea. That's so pretty. So y'all, I'm no longer working no more. Yeah. Okay, so now that we did that, now we're gonna take something off this palette. What are we gonna take though? Get ready with me. What? Okay, period. That's exactly what we're doing right now. Getting ready. So that's the perfect shade for this. I'm gonna dig in there. I'm just gonna go. That's really, really pretty and dope looking. Okay, like it. So now we're gonna go in with some liner. And baby, we're gonna wing her out. No clout. Today we're gonna be using our DIOR foundation. This is the Backstage foundation. This is what she looked like. So I'm gonna take the green skin. I'm gonna hurry up and prime my face right quick. So I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution concealer, cause baby, I know this concealer gonna stay in place all night long. It ain't gonna crease. No matter how watery my eyes might get from cigarette butts. I'm just playing. Hope that there's no cigarette butts. I think they banned that law in Louisiana anyway. You can't smoke in a club. Got our concealer on. I'm taking my Colourpop powder. Y'all. And I ain't used this powder in a little minute. But here we go. So now we're gonna go in and set our whole face. And we're gonna use our Beauty Bakery powder. Yes, okay. I'm trying to go have a fun, good, lit night. Go check out the vlog channel if you haven't. What you doing, sis? So now I'm gonna go in and contour. You already know I'm using my Morphe 39A palette, my favorite contour, and we have the drink on deck. I'm gonna take this MAC highlighter, put on some highlight on my face. So now I'm gonna go underneath my bottom lower lash line. I'm gonna take that JACLYN palette that we've been using, and I'm gonna go under my eyes. That G Money shade under my eyes. Under there, because I don't know, black eyeliner just been doing something for me. Okay. Oh, and it's the Anastasia that I'm using. Boom, black line done. Now I'm gonna take some mascara, some black mascara, and this is my DIOR Show mascara, which is totally not my favorite, but this is what we're using for tonight. I'm gonna go and put my lashes on off camera, and then we're gonna come back and do my lip, and then outfit time. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put on my lips, and I went on and changed my outfit. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Anastasia lipstick. This is in Ashton. Yeah, this is my favorite lipstick ever. If you watch some of my older videos, you know. Let me give y'all some slow-mo, some vibes. Okay guys, this wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload. And make sure to go follow me on my social medias _RayFierce is the Instagram, and my Snapchat is RayFierce20, which I'm rallying on. So definitely follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.